Okay, hello guys. Welcome to Huayin Live Show. I'm Coco. Nice to meet you again. Today is Christmas Eve day, right?
Yes, Merry Christmas Eve.
Okay, wish all our friends Merry Christmas Eve. Okay, since 1993, Huayin Group specialized in waste-to-energy equipment, offering solution to waste tire recycling machine, waste plastic recycling machine, waste engine oil to diesel distillation machine. Our workshop already cover 60,000 square meters, and our production capacity already reached 200 sets per year, and we already export our equipment to more than 77 countries. Today, there are three parts about our live show. The first part, Clover will take you to show our workshop, and in the third part, I will show you our demo factory. And in the third part, in our live show room, it's very important.
Yes.
We will give you big amount of coupon. Yeah, so don't leave our live show room and keep staying in our live show room to get the big amount coupon. Okay? Okay, first, Clover, let's follow Clover and go to our workshop firstly.
Yes, hi. Merry Christmas Eve. This is Clover. And today I will show you our three workshops. First, number one workshop, the workshop for manufacturing reactor. And number two, the workshop for storing machines ready for dispatching. And later I will show you the number three workshop for making dust removal system and cooling system. So now I will show you number one workshop. Please follow me.
Okay. Okay, this workshop is for manufacturing the reactor, right?
Yes, the pyrolysis plant includes 6 different parts. First, auto feeder. Second, reactor and that cooling system. That's the removal system. Carbon black discharging system and heating system. The reactor is the most important part because it connects to every other part, and it's where you feed raw materials, where you heat the raw materials, and where because it's high temperature heating. So we have to ensure it's fully sealed, it's safe environmentally, and energy saving.
Okay, Clover, I see there is a boiler.
Yes.
Could you introduce to our friends what's the capacity about the boiler?
It's the reactor body. It's a 10-ton capacity. Every batch you can feed 10 tons of tires and plastics. And from this 10-ton tire, you can get 4 to 5 tons of tire oil and 2.5 to 3 ton carbon black and 1.5 ton to 2 tons fuel oil and some syngas. For plastics, it's a little different. So it's generally 20% to 75%. For the detailed oil yield rate, you can contact our service people.
Okay, the 10-ton model is our most hot sale model and popular model.
Yes.
Okay, I say there are many materials. What's this material used for?
This is the steel plate for making reactor. It's a Q245R steel plate. You can see closer and see its name card, Q245R. It's bought from Angang Group, the Fortune 500 in China. And the steel plate quality is very important because it accepts high temperature heating. So if it's bad quality, it will affect its life and it may have oil gas leakage, have problems. So we choose 16 millimeter Q245R. If the steel plate is thicker, it is difficult to transfer the heat to raw materials. And if it's thinner, it may affect its service life. So after many times testing, we choose the 16 millimeter as its thickness.
Okay. So the steel plates as the raw material is very important.
Yes,
Okay, I can see there is a boiler unfinished.
yes, this is the reactor after welding. You can see here, we use several complete steel plates to weld it. And you can see the welding seams here. It's very smooth. We use 6 times welding to weld it, so that it's fully sealed and no air bubble.
Okay. So the welding quality is also very important.
Yes, and we also have ultrasonic welding report.
Okay. If you want to get the report of all our oil report, don't forget click the catalog or click the chat now. Our customer service person will give you more details.
Yes,
Okay, Clover, what's this part function?
it's the head cover, and it has 2 advantages. First, it's fully sealed. You can see here, it's made of one complete steel plate, Q245R, same as the reactor body. So, and it's only one welding seam. It can better to ensure there is no oil gas leakage. And second, it can stand pressure better, because you can see its type, it's like a bowl. So even if the plant has no pressure, but if under any problem, if it causes pressure, the pressure will spread and go to other parts, so it's safer.
Yeah. And I see there is only one
Yes.
welding line.
Yes.
Yes.
It's only one welding seam. But in the market, maybe you can see there are several steel plates welded together. So many welding seams, like an umbrella. The more welding seams, the more easier to cause oil gas leakage.
Right? Okay, there are 2 parts of the boiler. This one is the inside part.
Yes.
And this is about the outside part, the insulation cover, right?
Yes, yes. This installation cover is also very important. You know, the reactor will accept the high temperature heating, about 1000 Celsius degree. And so it's important to keep the temperature. How to keep it? We have 3 parts. Later I will show you that. If it's a bad simulation, then the temperature will go away.
Yes, it will lose the energy.
Yes, it will have 3 disadvantages. First, it will prolong the heating time. It will lower your profit. And second, it will waste your fuel, also reducing your profit. And third, it will be dangerous for workers to pass by, easy to get hurt.
Okay.
And I will show you how we ensure the good thermal insulation effect. We have 3 parts. You can see from here. You can see here. It has 3 parts. The first outside is the steel plate, and inside is the white one, the rock wool for thermal insulation, and outside is the refractory cement and the steel slag. This can keep the thermal insulation.
So a good insulation cover, just like a warm jacket.
Yeah.
Keep the temperature and don't lose the energy.
Yes.
At the same time, it can save cost and money for our clients.
Yes,
right?
yes. In the market, you can find 3 types of rock wool. The white one, the yellow one, and the black ones. The yellow one and the black one are easy to shrink under high temperature. So over time, they will shrink and vanish. Then no thermal insulation effect.
Okay.
Huayin uses the white ones. You can see here, all white rock wool. And we also use steel to cover it, no moving.
Also, we want to share the stand.
Yes, you can see here that it's the refractory cement and the steel slag outside to prevent it from dropping off.
Okay.
But you know what, Coco? After the reactor is complete, you cannot see the installation cover.
Yeah, the real thing.
Yes.
In the middle.
Yes. So it's very important to choose a right supplier who will always use good quality, whether you can see it or not.
Yeah, each details will depend the machine quality.
Yes.
Okay. Each part also very important.
Yes, because we have over 1,000 parts for this machine, only one pyrolysis machine. So every detail matters.
Okay, friends, if you want to get more information about our waste tire and plastic to fill oil recycling machine, please don't forget click the chat on and the catalog. Okay, now Clover, can you introduce to our friends how to start this business? Because when our friends are new about this field, right?
Yes.
Can you introduce to them what is most important to choose a good supplier?
Yes, that's a very good question, Coco. Because sometimes clients can feel very difficult and lost about how to choose a good supplier. So here I will give you about 5 parts. First, experience. An experienced factory will give you many suggestions about how to start this project, like raw materials, like oil sales, and will help you with the after sales. And second, technology. And the good technology can help you give you the safe machine and also to help you stay in front of this business. And third, the quality. The food's manufacturing quality and the raw materials they use are also very important. And fourth, the plant installation and worker training are also very important. This is even more important than plant quality because it's like a plane. If you buy a plane but you cannot fly it, it's a waste for you, no matter how good or how cheap you buy it. But if you fly it without any skills, it will be a disaster. So Huayin has our own installation team. We will give you guidance and teach you how to run the plant, how to install, and how give you worker training. And fifth, the after sales service. Huayin has a special after sales department to serve you all the time.
So when you want to start this business, find a professional supplier. It's very important.
Yes.
Yeah, when you find Huayin, you will save a lot of time and won't lose the way on the road, right?
Yeah, won't make mistakes.
Yeah. We know many spare parts are made by ourselves, but also we will buy other parts from our corporate supplier.
Yes.
Like the control box. Yeah.
You can see here we have several different types of control box. We will customize for you and based on your needs. And you can also see here we have both Chinese and English. Yes, for workers to easily understand it.
Okay, even some clients ask the Russian language. We also can.
Yes, no problem. We will also do the Russian language for you.
Okay, and this part is for stainless pump, right?
Yes, this is for the dust removal system. You know, the dust removal system is to clean the flue gas, so it may contain some acid, and this is to this stainless steel one can better stand corrosion, longer service life.
Okay. So each part we buy from other suppliers should ensure the high quality.
Yes, sure.
And about their box,
Yes, here you can see the gearbox. It's made of cast steel. Before we use cast iron. Based on our client's feedback over the past years, we now improved it to cast steel so that it's durable and more stronger.
Yeah, because when the pyrolysis machine is running, the gearbox is very important.
Yes,
If the gearbox and quality is not good, your pyrolysis plant have to stop.
Yes. The driving system is very important.
Yeah, and when our clients buy a pyrolysis machine from us, we also suggest them buy some spare parts, like 1 year spare parts or 2 year spare parts, right?
Yes.
They are like this one.
Yes, this is the graphite packing. It's for sealing the outer feeder, for sealing the feeding door. So every time you open the feeding door, you may replace it. So we suggest you to buy 1 year spare parts so that you can easily replace it. In some countries, it's difficult and very, very expensive to buy it.
Yes. Okay, friends, we are talking about the waste tire with the plastic to fuel oil machine. It's a business can help you earn money, and at the same time, it can protect our environment, right?
Yes.
Okay, what's the function about the small workshop, Clover?
And you can see here the rollers. It's also one of the driving systems. The driving system is very important to help the plant rotating well. So for this important part, we make it ourselves to ensure quality.
Okay. So we do many spare parts ourselves to ensure the spare parts quality.
Yes. For some for these important parts, we produce them ourselves.
So once our clients, the spare parts is break, we can ship the spare parts to them immediately.
Yes.
Okay, friends, don't forget to click the catalog or chat now to communicate with our customer service person. They will give you more details and, of course, the price about the pyrolysis machine or the distillation machine.
Yes.
If you are a company for waste management, or you want to find a business to help you earn money, just to don't waste any time to contact with us. According to our client feedback, they can earn $1,000 per day.
Yes, it's a very profitable business. It's also high risk because it's oil and gas recycling. So we will help you to succeed in this project.
Yeah, so the machine safe is very important.
Yes, and you can see here the reactor is like this. Inside it is the reactor body, and outside it is the insulation cover.
Yes, you can see more clear from here what the reactor will look like, right? Okay. We can see there are many finished reactors.
Yes, these are ordered by clients over the past 1 or 2 months, and we will paint it. Then it will be shipped to number 2 workshop for dispatching.
Oh, okay. Okay, friends. This is the introduction about our number 1 workshop. We will go to our number 2 workshop to introduce some finished reactor and 1-ton model reactor for you. Okay, friends, if you are invited by Coco or invited by Clover, please tap our name, Coco or Clover, and leave your message. Our customer service person will contact with you. And in our live showroom, we will give you big amount coupon. So if you have ordered recently, so don't forget, don't leave our live showroom. You will get get big amount coupon.
Yes.
Okay, now we already nearly reached our number 2 workshop.
This workshop is for storing the machines ready for dispatching. And you can see here. Did you notice any difference?
Oh yeah, I see there is only one gearbox in the number 1 workshop in the pyrolysis machine. But this machine has 2 gearboxes.
Yes, you are right.
Please introduce the difference to us.
Yes, this is for oil sludge pyrolysis plant.
Oh.
Yeah, besides tires and plastics, we also can process oil sludge. So, because oil sludge is heavier than tires and plastics, so we add another reducer here.
Okay, so our Huayin not only can offering solution for the waste tire, waste plastic, but also the oil sludge and the waste engine oil to diesel.
Yes.
Okay. What's this function?
This is the heating system. For the heating system, we have 2 designs, overground and underground. This is the overground one, so that you don't need to dig underground yourself. And we have different fuels you can choose. Wood, coal, natural gas, or fuel oil. So you tell us your fuel and we can customize this heating system for you. Because in some countries, it's not allowed to dig underground. And in some countries, the water level is too high, not suitable. So you can choose this. But if you in your country, it's allowed to dig underground, you may choose underground one. It's easier to operate.
Yeah. To be frankly, if we will build the furnace themselves, it can save some cost. Right?
Yes.
Yeah.
You can also save the transportation cost because this heating system would require 140 IQ.
Oh, yes. So no matter the underground tap or above the ground tap, both okay for them.
Yes.
Yeah, you are free to choose. But if you want to know which one is more suitable for you, please don't forget click the catalog or chat now.
Yes.
Okay. What's the mini baby Clover? Please introduce to us.
It's the 1-ton capacity reactor. It can process every time you can process 1 ton of tires and plastics. It's also very popular, already installed in Belgium, Ukraine, and Russia. And next month it will be shipped to Mexico.
Okay.
And we have 10 kg, 1 ton, 3 ton, 5 ton, and 10 tons. We can choose the suitable capacity based on your raw material amount.
So Huayin have the ability to design the different capacity according to our client's requirement. And some clients not only recycling the waste tire with plastic or oil sludge. In a client from the Europe country, he is recycling the spare parts from the trucks. The trucks spare parts, there are aluminum and some plastic. He want to separate the aluminum and the plastic, so they can use our machine too.
Yes.
Yeah, after pyrolysis, the plastic and aluminum will separate.
Yes, we have several domestic clients in China processing aluminum fuel to oil.
Yes. So after pyrolysis, they can get the aluminum and then resell to the market.
Yes.
Yeah. So if you have the waste and don't know whether can use our pyrolysis machine, just don't hesitate to contact with us or click the catalog, the chat on, contact with our customer service or your sales manager to get more information about the oil report the air emission report or the CE certification. No matter what kind of document you need, don't hesitate to contact with us.
Yes.
Okay, we already finished the number 2 workshop. We will go to the number 3 workshop. What's the function about the number 3 workshop?
The number 3 workshop is mainly to produce the cooling system and the dust removal system.
Okay, I see there is a water pump. What's the area function?
It's to test the building things of the cooling systems. We will pump water inside. We will pump the water inside the cooling system, and then we will pump 3 and 4 pressure to test whether there is any air bubble coming out.
Yeah.
So this is a simple but very effective way to test it.
Yeah. As we just mentioned, the welding quantity is very important, but how to test is also very important, right?
Yes.
Okay.
This is a simple but effective way.
Okay. Okay. We have a sales promotion in September and October. We already got a work order, right?
Yes, we got many orders in the past 3 months, from September to December.
Yes, you can see our workers are busy for these orders. And there are different design about our cooling system.
Yes,
right?
We have 5 different cooling systems in our factory, and they are suitable for different temperature in different countries. So we will choose a suitable one for you based on your needs and your local conditions.
Okay.
And behind it, you can see the integrated cooling systems. It's easy to transport and easy to install. So it's very suitable for European and American countries, which have high worker wages.
Yeah. And many Europe countries plans are more like high technology and automatic control.
Yes.
We also can add the PLC to the cooling system. Then with the PLC, you can control the temperature, the pressure, and the liquid level, right?
Yes.
Yeah, only in the computer you can control this state.
Yes.
Okay, okay, friends. If you are invited by Coco or invited by Clover or Zora, Sunny, Jean, don't forget, leave your name and your sales manager name, and our customer service person will give you more details.
Yes. And just now we introduced you the cooling systems, and we also have 5 different dust removal systems.
Yeah.
They are suitable for different environmental standards. One of the most popular one is the 5.5 meter stainless steel one. So and this is the ceramics for it. This can better absorb the smoke and the acid in the flue gas, meeting your local environmental standards.
Okay. Yes, many countries have high and strict requirements for the environment.
Yes.
So the air emission quality, the flue gas quality is also very important.
Yes.
Yeah, many clients pay more worry about this kind of question.
Yes.
If the flue gas can't meet their environment requirements, maybe they will lose a lot of money. The government will let them pay a lot of money.
Yes, they may be forced to close down. And we also have the air emission report. We can send that to you.
Okay. What's this machine function for?
Behind it is the automatic plasma cutting machines. And we also have we have many advanced machines to help you produce the parts.
Yeah.
And here you can see the laser cutting machine. With these machines, you can make the parts more accurate and improve the efficiency and lower the management cost. You can see the cutting quality, very standard, right? You can here.
Yes, the high automatic machine will help ensure the spare parts quality and at the same time ensure the pyrolysis machine quality.
Yes.
Yeah. So we know COVID-19 in 2020 is very hard time for many businessmen. But our boss seems not don't worry about it, right?
Yes, because our boss, Mr. Bo, said that we don't have to worry. It's a good time for us to focus on our development. And so we even bought the laser machine to help us produce the machines. And it helped us a lot in September and November. We got many orders. So this helps improve the efficiency and meet the client's delivery time.
Yeah. We know 80% of Huayin workers are Christian, right?
Yes.
Yeah, our boss always say, God already prepared all the things for us.
Yes.
So we don't need to worry about it.
We only need to focus on what we can do and our machines, our technology.
Yeah, so Huayin is always keep update about the technology, about our machines. Yeah, we get feedback from our clients and from the market.
Yes.
Yeah, to keep the technology updating always.
Yes, our technical team always go to the domestic and foreign client sites and attend the seminars to improve our technology and to improve to listen to our clients' feedback.
Yeah. And our boss started his business from with the plastic, right?
Yes, in 1993, nobody believes that plastics can produce oil, but he believes it. He buys a machine and process plastics, and he succeeded.
Yes. And okay, friends, we already finished the introduction about our number 3 workshop.
Yeah.
Now we are going to go to our demo factory.
Yeah, you will show them the demo plans, right, and the running process.
Yes. Clover, you know we have 5 factory total.
Yeah.
Right? The 4 factory all in this road. This is the first one, and the demo factory is the second one.
Yeah.
And we have a new one are in building. This is the third one. We will see another 2 factory on the way to our demo factory.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now we will take our car to our demo factory. Yes. It needs about 1 to 2 minutes only. Okay, friends, you are still in a Huayin live show. Okay, friends, you are still in Huayin live show. Don't leave our live show room. We are going to go to our demo factory.
Yes.
You will see a whole plant about the pyrolysis machine. You will see there are 6 parts of the pyrolysis machine, right?
Yes.
Yeah, the first is the outfeeder.
Yeah, reactor, the cooling system, the dust removal system, and the carbon black discharging system, and the heating system.
Yes, you will see different design about this system in our demo factory. Okay. we can see outside about our another two factory, and one is our oldest factory, and stock some waste plastic now.
Yeah, the one our boss started his business.
Yeah, it's a factory with many history about Huayin, right?
Yes.
And we also make some spare parts in the factory.
Yes.
Okay, you can say, hello friends, you are still in Huayin Live Show. If you have any questions about the waste tire, waste plastic to fuel oil pyrolysis machine, or the waste engine oil to diesel distillation machine, please don't forget, click the catalog or click the chat now. Our customer service person will give you more details about our capacity, about our machine. Can you reintroduce to our friends?
Yeah, for this tire and plastic plants, pyrolysis plants, you can process 10 kg to 10 ton every time, and the tire oil and can be used in industrial heating and burning, and it can also be refined to diesel for industrial machinery like tractors, trucks, forklifts, excavators. Yeah. For the capacity, we have 10 kg to 10 tons. You can choose the suitable one for you.
Yes. And if you want to get the pyrolysis oil report or the diesel report, you can contact with your sales manager or click the chat now. We will send the oil report to you. Okay, friends, now we are arriving our Huayin demonstration plant. It's our demo factory. Why we build this demo factory? When our clients visit us, they are prefer to see a running machine, to see the running machine real situation, right? Like the air emission situation and like the pyrolysis process. And of course, we need testing different technology in our demo factory. We need keep the technology update. Keep the technology update always. Okay. Let's follow me to see our demo factory. In this building, there are some carbon black processing machine, and in the this is our 你可以跟我一起那个 Okay, a moment please. Okay, we can see our demo factory here. When you want to build a factory, you can build like this. Of course, just a simple roof is also okay. The height we will recommend at least 8 to 10 meters about the height. When you build one set 10-ton machine, pyrolysis machine, it needs 10 meters wide and 40 meters long and 10 meters high. So it needs at least 400 square meters. But for the whole project, you will need 1,000 square meters. And because you need to stock some raw material and the oil, right? Okay, in our demo factory, from the left side, we can see the silver one and the red one and the red side too. This factory show different generation. It will show the Huayin technology update history. Okay, today I will introduce the pyrolysis machine to you. Please follow me. There are main 6 parts of the pyrolysis machine. The first part is the outfeeder. We can see the outfeeder. The outfeeder function is feed the material to the reactors. This outfeeder with 16 tons hydraulic power, it can help you compact the raw material and push them to the reactor. When the reactor rotates, it can help feeding the raw material. So the outfeeder can help you save a lot of time. If you use worker when feeding 10-ton raw material, it will need about 5 to 7 hours. But with our outfeeder, you need only 2 to 3 hours. So it can save a lot of work and the time and also the workers' quantity for you. And second, with the outfeeder, you now need the workers work into the reactor to feed the raw material, right? In some Africa country or some Asia country, the reactor design now with the pyrolysis design without the outfeeder, the workers have to work into the reactor. We know when the pyrolysis machine running, the temperature will be very high, 400 or 500, even 1100. If the reactor not cooling down totally when the worker walk into the reactor, it's very dangerous. So we use the outfeeder. It's very safe and now needs the reactor total cooling down to 0. So it can save a lot of time. Of course, save some fuel material for you. So it can save time and save cost for you. It's the outfeeder. And the second part is the reactor. As we mentioned, the reactor is very important. Why the reactor is very important? The first is the cost is very high, right? And the second is from here, from the reactor inside, the waste tire and waste plastic will become oil gas, from solid to oil gas from here. So the reactor design is very important. The design for safe and the high technology, very important about the reactor. And the third part is about the foundation. The foundation is the furnace. The function is to heating the reactor, right? So as we just mentioned, you can use wood, coal, or natural gas, or pyrolysis oil from itself. At present, 90% of our clients will choose the pyrolysis oil as the fuel material because you now need to buy other fuel material from the market, and it needs only about 400 kg for 10-ton raw material. So it's very low cost and very convenient. So when you use the pyrolysis oil, you will use the oil burner. We have 2 kinds of oil burner. I think if you already get the quotation list from us, you will see there is the blue one. The blue one is very easy handle, and because the nozzle about the oil burner is very big, we know the pyrolysis oil with some impurity. So if the nozzle is not so big, it will easy to cause the blockage problem. So use the blue one, it will reduce the maintenance times, okay? And the second type about the oil burner is the red one. This one is automatic, high automatic, controlled by X3. So when the temperature reach high, it can cut off the oil burner automatically. Now, the first part of this pyrolysis machine is for the carbon black discharge system. This carbon black discharge system is back tap. We also have another tap. I will introduce you later over there. This tap is a back discharge system, and it uses pneumatic conveyor, so it's very clean and fast to convey the complex discharge system. And in this part, I will introduce you one very important part about our technology update design. Okay, please follow me. As I just mentioned, our machine are ready from the first generation, the second generation, the third generation, already to 7th generation. So we already update many technology. This part is also very important. It's about the oil outlet pipe. We increase the diameter from the 5th generation, 630 mm to 1 meter. Why we increase the diameter? We know in some countries, the electricity is not so stable, especially in some African countries. So if you already start the pyrolysis and the raw material like the tires or plastic already melt and not solid already. So if the already melt, what will happen if the electricity cut off immediately? The melt material will become solid and stick to the bottom, right? Yeah. But when you want to restart the pyrolysis machine, it need to rotate the reactor. But the bottom side is very heavy with the stick raw material, right? But the upside is empty. When it rotates, what will happen? It will lose balance, right? Once the reactor loses the balance, the reactor is rotated, but the purification system is stable, right? Then it will easy to damage the oil outlet tube. Of course, easy to damage the gearbox and the reducer. The conduction part is also easy to break. Once it breaks, the oil gas will come out. It's very dangerous. Okay, I see a friend leave message, Coco, and finally I see your demo factory. Okay, welcome friends, welcome to our live show room. If you are invited by Coco or by Clover, don't forget, leave your message or leave our name. Let us know you already come to our live show. And if you want to get more information, don't forget, click the catalog or click the chat now. Our customer service person will give you more details about our pyrolysis machine. Okay, and then let me continue about the purification room. The purification room, the function is to clean the oil gas. The oil gas from the reactor with many impurity, right? So we have two layers about the purification system. The outside filled with perlite to keep the purification room is warm, and the inside we use the ceramic rings to absorb the impurity about the oil gas. Then with this purification room, it can let the clean oil gas to go to the next stage. Okay, it's a very important part about our pyrolysis machine design. And now we are going to our cooling system. We can see there are two type different design about our cooling system. About this one, we get the idea from our Europe clients. When our boss travel to Europe and find he gets a feedback from our clients. The Europe salary is very high, so they are prefer about the design. They are prefer to choose the design can help them save a lot of time and save the installation workers quantity. So after our boss traveled to Europe and back to our factory, he designed the frame design. It's a kind of integrated design. like a container design. And also we use the Germany automatic clean technology in this cooling system. With this cooling system, it's easy installation and save a lot of time for you. All the welding parts already weld in our factory, so you no need find the will reduce the welding workers job, right? Because our welding worker already works in our factory about 8 years, 10 years, so they are more professional. They can ensure the welding quality. So this design is very popular in Europe. And of course, about this cooling system, we call it the square box cooling system. It's also very hot popular at present. In 2020, most of our clients will choose this cooling system. We can say it's like a square box, right? The advantage for this cooling system is it now need to build the water pole. There are 20 piece 6 meters cooling pipe here. So the total cooling distance about this system is 120. But in some very hot place, we won't suggest you use this cooling system. So if you want to know, we also have other cooling system. If you want to know which cooling system can help you save money or which cooling system is more suitable for your market, so please don't forget, click the catalog or click the chat now. And also, you can leave your questions here in our live show room. I see a question. The first letter is C and the last letter is G, the delivery time. The delivery time is 20 days. So if after receiving your down payment, it needs 20 days to ship the machine. And another question, it can recycle waste plastic to diesel? Yes, it can recycle the waste plastic to diesel, also the waste tire to diesel, the waste engine oil to diesel. So if you want to know whether the diesel quantity can meet your market requirements, you can contact with your sales manager or click the catalog and the chat now to get the oil report. Yeah, the oil report can give you very important information about oil from our pyrolysis machine and from our distillation machine. How much profits I can get? Yes, according to our clients' experience, they can earn max $1,000 per day. So it's a business can help you earn money, and of course, you can protect your environment. We know the environment is very important for many countries. Of course, all over the world, right? The waste plastic and the waste tires. If we landfill it, it not only will make pollution, cause the pollution problem for the land, of course, for the water also. So, if you want to protect your country's environment and also want to find earn money business, please don't forget contact with us. Okay. About the sixth part of the pyrolysis machine is about the dedusting system. This is the dedusting system. It's about the dedusting system. The dedusting system function is to clean the flue gas from the furnace, right? Of course, the dedusting system affection will also depend on your fuel material, like the wood, coal, pyrolysis oil, or the natural gas. Okay, it's the dedusting system. We also have different design for the dedusting system. If you want, our sales manager and the customer service person will give you professional suggestion about which dedusting system is more suitable for your market or suitable for you. Okay, I want to show you the underground furnace, underground foundation. Yes, this the reactor is about 7 tons model. So there are only 2 furnace door here. So if you want to build the furnace underground, it will be like this. To be frankly, when the foundation underground, it's more easy to operate the machine and save a lot of cost for you. So, and it's very popular in Africa and Asia countries. Okay, now I will show you another type carbon black discharge system. It's the side type. This carbon black discharge uses a screw conveyor system inside. When the pyrolysis process finished, the carbon black will drop down under and here, and the screw conveyor will convey the carbon black to the hopper, and the outside is a water jacket. The water jacket can cooling down the carbon black discharge carbon black temperature. We know after pyrolysis, the carbon black is still high temperature, like 80 or 60. So it needs to cooling down the carbon black discharge system. Okay, it's the whole. I think after I introduce, you will have a simple concept about the pyrolysis machine. When you build a 10-ton pyrolysis machine, it will be like this. Your future factory will be like this. Okay, so let me see. There is a questions. What's the name of the red color machine? Oh, let's wait a moment. The red color machine is distillation machine. It can recycle the crude oil or the pyrolysis oil or the waste aging oil to diesel. Okay. What does the machine do? Okay. Hello friends, you are in Huayin live show. We are introduce the waste tire with the plastic to fuel oil machine, and also the waste aging oil to diesel distillation machine. Okay, let me see next question. What's the raw material can I process? Okay, the raw material you can use plastic, the tires, waste aging oil, or the oil sludge. Okay, now we already finished the introduction about our demo factory. Now we are going to our live show room. In our live show room, we will give you big amount coupon. So if you have planned to order our pyrolysis machine or distillation machine, don't leave our live show room, okay? And you will get a big amount coupon in our live show room. Only in live show room. It's really big, this big amount in our history. Okay, don't leave. Okay, it's already winter in China. What's the temperature in your country? You can tell me. You can type. But it's still not snowing. And I think it will snow in the following maybe 2 weeks. If you want to get a snowing picture from me, especially some friends from Africa, maybe they never see the snow. Okay, you can contact with me. I will show you the Chinese snowing pictures. Okay, friends, don't forget to leave your contact information because I can't see your full information in our live show room. The Alibaba is protect your privacy, so we can't see your full name. But only when you leave your full name in the message or contact with our customer service person, we can get your contact information. So if you Only say, hi, hello, Coco. I can't see who you are. Okay? Don't forget, click the catalog or click the chat now and leave your full contact information. Okay. Okay. Now we arrive. We will go to the live show room. In our live show room, I will show you some global cases all over the world, in some Europe country, in some Asia country, Africa country, and you have a simple concept. You will have a simple concept about the pyrolysis machine. What will the pyrolysis machine will looks like with the machine installed in the real client factory? And you will see what kind of how to design install the pyrolysis machine. As I just mentioned, we already export our machine to 77 countries. Okay, let me take off my jacket. It's warm in our room. Okay, friends, you are still in Huayin live show room. As I just mentioned, I will give you big amount coupon, right? You can guess how many coupon I will give you. Let me show you. $5,000 coupon. So if you have purchase plan about our pyrolysis machine or distillation machine, just take a screenshot. Take a screenshot about the $5,000 coupon, and then send the screenshot to your friends, to your sales manager or to your customer service person. They will give you the $5,000 coupon. It's only available in our live show room. Okay? And if you want to know more about our machine, about our discount, please don't forget leave your message or contact with our customer service person or click the catalog. Okay, let me see. I will show you the 77 countries. As I just mentioned, we already export our pyrolysis machine to 77 countries. It's a strong proof about our Huayin ability, because after installation the machine in the 77 countries, we will get rich experience in installation in different countries, right? So we have a professional after service team. They already worked to 77 countries and already get the rich experience. Like the Asia country, we already export to 26 countries, like the India, Pakistan, Thailand, Philippines, Syria, UAE, and China. Of course, the China market. If we don't have enough confidence about our machine, we can't sell our machine in China market. In last month, one China market ordered 8 pyrolysis plants from us totally. And the 8 reactor will shipped on next month, 5th they will be shipped. So because the China market and the clients is very near to us, right? If there is quite problem with our machine quality or there is problem with our after service, they can come to our Huayin factory directly, right? And fight with us. So we don't worry about these questions. we have enough confidence about our machine quality, so we can push our machine in the China market. Okay, and of course some Iran and Turkey, Singapore, and Indonesia. Yeah, right. And the Europe country, 22 countries. We know the Europe country is high. The Europe country have high requirements about the environment. Yes. So when we enter the Europe countries, it needs very strict. It needs strict requirements about the environment. So when we enter the environment, Europe country, it's also proof Huayin have the ability to enter the Europe country. Yeah, like the Belgium clients, and Germany, and Russian, Italy, and Austria, UK, and France. Where are you from, friends? You can click your country name. Let me know where you are from, okay? And Africa country, we already export to 15 countries in Africa, like Ghana, and Botswana, Zambia, and Kenya, and Benin, and South Africa country, 7 countries like Peru, Chile. So we already export our machine to 77 countries. Now I will introduce your detailed case global the world. Sorry, I forgot that. North Africa 5 countries like Canada, Mexico, USA, and Australia and New Zealand. Now I will introduce you detailed case global the world. The first one is our Thailand plant. This plant recycles the plastic from the landfill to diesel. Many clients, we meet problems from our clients. They think they collect the plastic is very expensive. So they think there is no profit to recycling the waste plastic. But in our some Asian countries like the Philippines, Singapore, Indonesia clients, they are prefer to recycling the waste plastic. Like the Thailand clients, they get the plastic from landfill. They cooperate with the government. So when they cooperate with government, they will have 2 kinds of money about this business. First is from their government. Their government will give them money when they recycling the waste plastic. And the second money they will get from the pyrolysis oil. So when you find the suitable cooperation method or find the suitable way to find the raw material, it's suitable and reasonable to recycling the plastic. This Thailand plant installation time is 2013 and May, and the capacity they recycling is 20 tons per day. They installed 10 tons pyrolysis machine, and the oil yield over 65%. The oil yield is already very high because our pyrolysis machine can recycling the PP, PE, PS, and ABS plastic. The oil yield is from 15% to 18%. Different material will have different oil yield. This landfill plastic is already reached 65%. It's already very high. And they get diesel from this plant. We can see the diesel picture. It's very clear, right? And a good picture. Yeah, we can see the raw material from the landfill. It's very dirty, right? We can see it's dirty. And they fill this raw material by piece. Some clients will ask, if we fill the plastic by piece, I think it will needs more space in the reactor. So each batch capacity will affect. You are right, but if you can feed the plastic by piece or by build and compressed plastic, if you feed in by piece, easy to finish the pyrolysis, so it can pyrolysis process, so it can save a lot of time for you. But of course, if you feed by batch, it can save space in the reactor. You can feed more material per batch. So no matter feed the plastic by piece or by built compressed plastic, both are okay. You are free to choose. Okay, this Finland client. About this client, we have a long story with this Finland client. Because they need the translator. So our sales manager stay the Finland about 9 months to give them after service support. You will ask why the installation time needs 9 months. Of course, not the installation time needs 9 months. Normally, it only needs 1 month to finish. But these clients have very high requirements about the machine. So, and their land, we can say the land space is limited. So they need to change many parts about our machine. So we already, and when they want to change the machine details, we need to supply our technical support to them. So we already built a long cooperation with them, have very good relationship with the Finland clients. Okay, the Finland clients, the installation time is 2016 and June. The capacity is 10 tons. Their raw material is PP and PE plastic. The PP and PE is very good material for the pyrolysis oil. Yeah, they want to get diesel too. The diesel, they want to use the marine engine and the farm engine. Yes, the diesel from the plastic or tires is not standard diesel. So we usually suggest that our clients mix with standard diesel use for some big engine, like some marine engine or farm engine. Yeah, this is the picture. Then the Finland client visited us in 2014. And it's the integrated design about the pyrolysis machine. And we have special design for them. We can say it's different with the cooling system we already see in our demo factory or in our workshop. They are different. So Huayin have the ability to design different cooling system, distilling system, according to the requirements, according to your land requirements. When your space is very limited, but and don't know how to install the machine, you just contact with us. Our engineer will design the drawing, the factory drawing to you according to your land space and your factory space. And we can say they use the foundation. They buy the foundation from us directly, and use the right type oil burners, as I just mentioned in the demo factory. And also, we can see the door. The door is special design, right? It's hydraulic door. We have different type of feeding door, like the common one. The common one needs a electric hose to hang the door. This is maybe some clients will think it will waste time, but the common door is after many times testing and our clients' feedback. The common door is not easy to out of shape, so it's very cost effective. Of course, we can design the side screw door. If we have a live show, if you already see our live show room last 2 times, you will see the side screw door. It's easy to operate. And of course, the hydraulic door. The hydraulic door is have more good affection about the sealing. So we have the ability to design different feeding door for you too. And about this is about the pyrolysis oil and the diesel. This one is the pyrolysis oil after distillation, but this one is after color and smell removed. So when you want to get diesel from the with the plastic or with tires, it needs 3 stages. The first stage is from the waste tire with plastic to pyrolysis oil, and the second stage is from the pyrolysis oil to distillation oil. And then we will use the color and the smell remove plants to transfer the distillation oil to the diesel. Okay, so it needs 3 stages. Okay, let me see the questions. Your diesel looks good. Okay, thank you. Mine mix the plastic is very dirty. Is that okay? Yes, of course it's okay. Just as a Thailand client, we have the purification room, as I just introduced to you in our demo factory. It can clean the dirty from the oil gas. So don't worry about this question. Any report? What's your diesel quantity? Any report? Yes, we have the report for the diesel and also pyrolysis oil. You can get from your sales manager or from our customer service. Please don't forget click on the catalog or leave message to us, okay? So to get diesel, I need 3 machines. Yeah, you need 2 machine and 1 system. The pyrolysis machine, the distillation machine, and the color and smell remove system. Yes, you can call it 3 machines. Okay, let's continue. It's our South Africa client. They also installed 2 set 10 tons machine. You can see from our case, our clients not only buy 1 set machine, because 2 set machine will help you earn money more quick, right? 1 machine needs about 3 people per shift, but 2 machine also need 3 to 4 workers. So the workers' cost is almost the same. So our clients more prefer to choose 2 set 10 tons machine one time. And like our Ghana clients already bought our 6 machines from us. So the machine will help you earn money. And when you buy 2 sets 10 tons of machine, it can help you earn money more quick. And of course, increase the capacity, right? Okay, we can see the South Africa client installation time is 2018 and June. The Pretoria, it's in Pretoria, South Africa. And the raw material is with the tires. The oil yield over 43%. Okay, we can see this South Africa clients buy 2 set outfitter. But if you only recycling 1 material, like the tires or plastic, we will suggest you buy 1 outfitter is okay, because we can build a steel tree from the left side to the right side. So if you use 1 outfitter, it can move automatically from left side to the right side after feeding this reactor and then feeding this reactor. So of course, if you want to your baggage is enough, you can also buy 2 sets outfitter, but 1 outfitter is also workable, okay? Yeah, we can see there are 2 drawings about the machine. This one is for the pyrolysis plant drawing, and this one is for the factory drawing. So if you have questions about your factory drawing or how to install the machine in your own factory, our engineer will make drawing for you. So don't worry. Okay, the last picture is from the front side, and this picture is the back, the back side. We can see the integrated design system. And the South Africa clients use the underground furnace too. So you can choose the underground furnace like this. And about the roof, we can see the South Africa clients only built a very simple roof about the pyrolysis plant. So we know the pyrolysis machine is not so cheap, right? We want to reduce some cost for the factory. You can build a simple roof. It don't affect the machine work. Okay, this one is about the carbon black discharge and with the hopper. Yeah. Okay, this is the South Africa client and the Bangladesh clients. The Bangladesh clients also bought two-side 10-ton pyrolysis machine, and they recycling the waste tire. The waste tire already use the cutters, right? Our reactor feeding door is 1.4 meters. So if your tire's diameter is not more than 1.4 meters diameter, you can put the whole tires to the reactor directly. But if you want to recycling some truck tires or some OTR tires, the tire is very big, right? So you need the cutter firstly. You need the cutter to cut the tires to pieces and then feed to the reactor. And we can see the Bangladesh clients also use very simple factory design, just a simple roof. Yeah, it doesn't grow. And about the foundation, it's above the ground, right? It's not underground. Yeah, when you use above the ground foundation, you need to increase the height of the feeders. Of course, we can finish the support structure about the outfeeder in our factory. Yeah, the Bangladesh installation time is 2016 June, and oil yield over 48%. The oil usage about the fuel oil is for boiler heating. Okay, friends, if you are new, come to our live showroom. What kind of machine we are talking about? We are talking about the waste tire with the plastic to fuel oil pyrolysis machine and the waste engine oil, crude oil to diesel distillation machine. What's the application about the fuel oil? It can use as fuel material to glass factory, steel factory, steel making factory, boilers factory to as the fuel material. Okay. Hey, let me see the questions. How many workers do I need? Okay, per shift needs 2 to 3 workers. One batch will need 24 hours for 10 ton raw material. So one day we'll need 4 to 6 workers. Okay, 2 to 3 workers per shift, but one day we'll need 4 to 6 workers. Can you calculate the profits for me? Of course, if you want to know how much money I can earn per day, you just click the chat now and contact with your sales manager. Then they will make the profit analyzed for reports for you according to your local markets. Yeah, when you want to start this business, of course, you need do some job at the same time. You need to know what's the fuel oil price in the local market and then supply to your sales manager and your worker salaries per day, per month, and the electricity cost and the raw material cost, then give this date to your sales manager. Then they can calculate the profit, analyze the reports for you, okay? How much discount do you offer? Okay, let me reintroduce our discounts in our live showroom. If you have purchased plan recently, please take a screenshot. Okay, take a screenshot about the coupon $5,000. So when you order the machine, we will give you $5,000 coupon directly. Okay, don't forget, take a screenshot. Okay, another question. If you use if I use 2 plants, the workers will double. No, one set machine, pyrolysis machine, needs 2 to 3 workers per shift, but 2, you only need increase 1 worker, another, okay? Okay, this is a honor to our engineer, Mr. Guo Pengfei from our Bangladesh client. Our Bangladesh client is very satisfied with our engineer work. You know, after you order our machine, we will arrange one engineer to your factory to guide your workers install the pyrolysis machine. Of course, train your workers. So don't worry about the after-service work. Huayin have a professional after-service engineer team to supply the after-service work for you. Okay. This is our talent clients. These clients already been our agent in talent. Yeah, he already earned a lot of money from the pyrolysis machine. This machine installation time in 2018 and November. He is my colleague Jean's client, and I heard from her the talent clients will order another machine this year. Yeah, the raw material they recycling is with the plastic and the oil use over 75%, very high oil use. You can see the plastic hat they already built and can test this plastic. This like the plastic bag, this material is very good. So the oil use very high, can reach 75% to 18% about the oil use. Yeah, they use a 5 generation cooling system. Yeah, I think when they buy new machine, they will buy our square box cooling system or the integrated design cooling system. And yeah, from our talent clients, we can see he buy one 10 kg mini machine too. Why he buy the 10 kg mini machine? Because he already be our agent in the talent market. So when our clients want to see the machine running, he need to show the machine running to them. So the 10 kg mini machine is more convenient and easy to show the machine running. The 10 kg mini machine is the same design with the big one. So when you want to be an agent about this machine, or you are new businessman for this pyrolysis business, you can buy one 10 kg pyrolysis machine, mini machine to testing the raw material. Of course, show to your clients. So the functions, it can use to do a trial for different kinds of raw material to test the all you use. And second, it can use a running model to show their customers. And the third, use it also a model to show their government to apply a running license. Yes, in some country, when their governments give them the license, they must see the real machine and the real machine running, the real machine work. So the 10 kg mini machine model is very important for this kinds of clients. They must use it to get a running license from the government. And the small pyrolysis plant is suitable for clients. We also start doing this project and use it as a trial. Yes, the mini model will increase your confidence in this business, right? After all, the 10 kg mini model is no cost as the 10-ton machine. Do you want to know the 10 kg mini model price, right? Just contact with our sales manager or click the chat now. Our customer service will give you the 10 kg mini model running video and also the price, okay? Which capacity do you suggest me? What capacity do you suggest me to do? Okay, this question is from our clients. The first letter is F and the last letter is R. if you start this business, I will recommend the 10-ton model to you. The 10-ton model is our most hot seller model at present. 95% of our clients will choose the 10-ton capacity model, okay? I already took the screenshot of the discount. Okay, very good. Can I use it for 10 kg model? Oh, no. Okay, clients, if you want to get the 10 kg mini model discount, please contact with your sales manager. The $5,000 dollar discount is only for the big model. Because I don't know what's the price the sales manager already offer you for the 10 kg mini model. You can contact with her, okay? Yes, about the mini machine, the advantage is they use the stainless steel material. Yeah, the lifetime is very long, can extend to 10 years. So, and it's about the packing, about the 10 kg mini model. It only needs 2 wood box like this. So you are free to choose ship by sea or by air. And this one is about our Jordan plants. They recycling the waste tires too. The installation time about the Jordan plants is 2019 January. And the raw material is cut tires, and oil yield is over 30%. So even all the raw material is tire, but different tire with also different oil yield. So when you have the waste and want to know how about your raw material oil yield, you can use the 10 kg mini model to test. Okay. Yeah, this is the pictures about this Jordan plant taken by our engineer. Okay, this one is the Belgium plant. This plant also builds a very good relationship with us. They built a one-ton pyrolysis machine and a one-ton distillation machine. The installation time in 2019 and January, and the raw material is waste plastic. The oil yield is 30%. Yes, we can say the different plastic will have different oil yield. Yeah. The Belgian clients also built a long cooperation about the technology. Yeah, we can give you support if you want to update some details parts or want to modify your machine. We also can give you support. And of course, the Belgium clients already help us introduce our machine to many clients. Okay, and it's about our global case. I see questions. Is this one-ton one seem like what you showed in the workshop? Yes, it's the same. It's the same with the workshop we just show you. It's already have the furnace already and integrated design cooling system and the control box. It's very easy to connect. You can see just connect with the reactor, the cooling system, and connect the dedusting system. It's okay. The Belgian plant, he must like your company a lot. Yes, he really like our company and help us make many orders from other Europe countries because our Europe countries are like to call him and to know more about Huayin and our factory. How many containers are needed for the one-ton machine? Yes. You need 240 high cube, about 3. HiQ about the 40 HiQ for the 1 ton model. Okay, can I contact with him? Where are you from? Let me know where you are from. Okay. Okay, let me know where are you from and what kind of suggestion the Belgium clients can give you. Oh, talent. I think talent client is better to contact with our talent agent, and he will know more situation about talent, right? And also give you suggestion about how to get the running license. Yeah. I also want to process plastic. What kind of plastic you have? Yeah, we need to know. Many clients will ask about the PET bottle, like the water bottle. The PET, there is no oil from the PET bottle, but the cap and the stick stable in the water bottle is okay. Okay, clients, I will introduce our discount. We will give you $5,000 discount in our luxury room if you have purchase plan recently. Hello, Andy. Okay. If you have $5,000, if you have purchase plan recently, please don't forget take a screenshot about the $5,000. $5,000. We will give you $5,000 discount directly. Okay, friends, it's about our today live show, okay? And Merry Christmas Eve and Merry Christmas Day, and wish you Happy New Year. Maybe this is our last live show in 2020. And if you have more questions, don't forget to leave your message and contact with our customer service person. Okay, I'm Coco from Huayin. See you next time. See you.